Recently, the large-scale fighting and water rescue amphibious aircraft Kunlong AG600, independently developed by China, has successfully completed the first flight at sea in Qingdao Sea area of Qingdao. According to the tri-flight arrangement, the first flight of Kunlong AG600 aircraft took off from Rizhao Shanzihe Airport in the morning and successfully arrived in the sea area near Qingdao Tuandao after flying about 28 minutes. After completing a series of test subjects, such as smooth entering water, sea glide, and sea takeoff, the first sea trial flight mission was successfully completed. The first flight at sea mainly aims to test the aircraft's ability of far-sea rescue in the sea conditions, aircraft takeoff and landing characteristics, verifying the aircraft's sea wave resistance, corrosion prevention and control performance, preparing for future aircrafts to carry out the tasks of far-sea cargo transportation and water emergency rescue. The large amphibious aircraft Kunlong AG600 is the first large-scale special-purpose civil aircraft developed in China. The aircraft is developed according to the design idea of amphibious one-machine multi-type, which is mainly used for forest fire extinguishing and water rescue, and is a major aviation equipment urgently needed in the construction of national emergency rescue system. It can carry up to 12 tons of water, a single-time extinguished fire area of more than 4,000 square meters. It can also rescue 50 people in distress on water at one time. On July 25th, the EMU bullet trains produced by Qingdao Sifeng Bombardierway Transportation Equipment Company were loaded at the Tianwan Wharf of Qingdao Port and shipped to Europe. This is China's first batch of EMU trains exported to Nordic developed countries. The products sold to Europe this time are 3 compact EMU trains. There are 45 trains with 135 carriages. It is 83 meters long and 3.45 meters wide. The maximum carrying capacity is 270 people, with a design life of 30 years, all in line with the European Union Railway Interconnection Technical Standards. Qingdao Sifeng Bombardier is located in Qingdao Road Transportation Industrial Demonstration Zone. It is a Sino-foreign joint venture engaged in rail vehicle production, jointly founded by China's CRRC Sifeng and Canada Bombardier Company. Sifeng Bombardier Company and the project purchasing party jointly built the R&D platform. After more than 2 years of technical research and development, the whole detailed design of EMU and about 70% of the whole vehicle production and manufacturing are finally realized, and the trains have entered into the developed European market. Recently, the province's first single serial intermodal transport assembly business was completed in Shandong Pilot Free Trade Zone, Qingdao area. Goods transported through sea from Japan, South Korea, and other countries were unpacked and distributed in the multifunction assembly warehouse of Tianwan Free Trade Port Zone. After container assembly with general export goods, the goods will be transported through the railway to overseas destinations. Compared with the whole container booking, the assembly business can reduce the cost of LCL by 70% to 80%, which will effectively enhance the radiation capacity of international logistics at Qingdao Port. Recently, the first promotion meeting of Qingyan International Investment Industrial Parks was held in West Coast New Area. In the next 5 years, Jinan, Qingdao, and Yantai will build international investment industrial parks with a total area of 104.3 square kilometers to create a high-end industrial agglomeration area with outstanding leading industries, perfect industrial ecosystem, and improve global influences. Among them, Qingdao International Investment Industrial Park will focus on building 3 industrial agglomeration areas: digital technology and intelligent manufacturing, new energy vehicles, and intelligent home appliances. By 2025, there will be no less than 130 leading enterprises with an industrial scale of 270 billion yuan. According to the plan, Qingdao will speed up building the systems of classified garbage disposal, classified collection, classified transportation, classified treatment, and solve the problems of old damage of public toilet facilities and cleaning. Carry out the occupation of public space to solve the problem of blocking passage. Carry out special treatment of illegal parking. Build parking lots around streets, residential areas, and farmers' markets. Check and maintain the firefighting facilities regularly. Thoroughly solve the problems of random parking, random stacking, occupation, and blockage of firefighting passage. China's Northern Consumer Goods Qingdao Distribution Center project and Qingdao Bailin Outlet Square project started construction in Jimo International Land Port. China's Northern Consumer Goods Qingdao Distribution Center project is planned to invest 200 million yuan based on the resource advantages of Shandong Port Group as well as the vast local market of Jimo and the mature operation mode of sea rail combined transport and inland port. The project will focus on building 3 parks: Free Trade Logistics Park, Cold Chain Industry Park, and Futures Delivery Logistics Park. Qingdao Bailian Outlets Square project is invested by Shanghai Bailian Group, totaling 1.3 billion yuan. The project is expected to be put into use in the first half of 2022, providing about 3,000 jobs with an annual turnover of about 2 billion yuan. Recently, the 2020 Nanshu Graphite New Material Industry Innovation and Development Forum was held in Laixi. Experts from National Scientific Research Institutes, enterprises, representatives of entrepreneurs carried out discussions around promoting the graphite new material industry to high-end development. At the event, 8 projects were signed up to settle in Laixi, involving graphite new material research and development, industrial application, and other aspects. Among them, the total investment of 1 billion yuan Luowei Purified Graphite Production Project has been included in the Provincial New and Old Growth Drivers Transformation Major Project Plan.